Hello friends, I hope all of you guys are very busy in doing module 2, module 3, module 4, whatever module you are in, searching a lot of things on Google and YouTube, and try to finish your smart task as better as you can. And as I told all of you guys that we at VCE always think of improvising our platform, always think of helping the interns and taking care of them. Okay, in that respect, I got a lot of feedbacks from students that whenever you as the chief mentor of all the internship, whenever you ask that do you have any doubt, any questions, so most of the time the interns are not able to tell small doubt, small questions, because they think that this question, this doubt is so small that if I ask this to my mentor, it might be possible the mentor will freak out, or maybe other interns will think that what kind of small doubt you have. Okay, but those small doubts are a doubt, and it can create constipation. It can create constipation in your mind. You think that it is not clear, that how can I do this. So taking all those feedbacks, I thought that you need a different kind of student mentor. A mentor you can talk very clearly, openly with them, and a mentor who did this internship before you. Okay, so after a lot of screening and selections, we find out that we have a mentor like this, a student mentor. She is very good intern. She did 6 internship with VCE, and almost all the time she is one of the best intern. She got the best intern award twice, and she is now doing the 7th internship. So she knows the small nitty-gritty that is need to be done in terms of preparing a final report, in terms of preparing of your financial model or report in CCSD or analysis in solar photovoltaic. All this small nitty-gritty she knows. She is in the final year MBA student. She already did her BTech and all these things, graduation. Okay, so I'm sharing her Telegram ID and email to you guys. Whenever you have a doubt, small doubt, little bit, are you doing something correct? Is that the right way? Okay, we need to write something else? What are the points? Which report I need to submit? And all those kind of doubts you have, you can send her a message immediately and you will get the reply. But don't send her messages like, when I will get the certificate and when this, when that. Okay, for that we have another helpline. Okay, this is only related to your project, If there is something that she is not able to solve, there is something that she is not able to provide you the solution, she definitely tell you that, okay, for this kind of queries or this kind of advanced queries, you can directly contact your mentor, and this is your Telegram ID of the mentor. For all the other stuff, small things, I think she is quite helpful. Okay, and because I want you guys to finish this internship, to finish your task, finish this report and internship in a very proper way. See, we don't want to deny giving anybody the certificate of completion or letter of recommendation. We want to give that. Okay, because it is not harming. If we can give to 400, I can give it to 450. Okay, but why you want to be in that 50 where there is a question that should I give them LOR or not, should I give them COC or not? Nobody want to in that 50, right? You are spending so much of time with us. You all want a better certificate of completion or LOR. Okay, so talk to her, explain your doubt, send her message, explain your doubt. She will definitely help you. Okay, and try to prepare a nice report, try to prepare a nice task. Okay guys, thank you very much. Take care of yourself. Bye.